and today I'm going to teach you how to make a fruits clay. So let's start with the orange. First, get a color orange clay and mold into a big bowl shapes. Right, then set aside. Pinch a color brown clay and rolled into a small stick or like a stalk so that our orange can have a stalk. Like that. Gently roll and then attached it into our orange clay like this. Make sure that it sticks well, okay? Then get another color green clay because I want our orange fruit have a leaf. So let's form into a shaped cone and flatten it like that. So it's look like now a leaf. Then place it into our stalk. Make sure that they stick well, okay? And ta-da! We have now an orange! Yay! So let's set aside. Then let's get now a blue clay. But if you have a purple color clay, much better. But since I only have blue, I used blue. Right, so let's portion this one with the same portion like that. Then roll into small balls. Even they are not the same size, that's fine. Alright, let's finish everything with the ball shapes, okay? And kids, if you want to watch more videos and to be updated on my latest craft, just press the subscribe button and the notification bell, okay? Alright, so we're almost done. So once we finish everything, let's stick it together like this, okay? Just imagine the shape of the real grapes. Alright, like that. Stick everything and make sure that it's stick properly, okay? Gently pressed, okay? So now we have the shape of the grapes. Double check both sides. Just press gently, okay? And then like what we did on the orange, let's get a brown color clay so that our grapes have a stalk. And then another color green clay to create a leaf for our grapes. Almost done. So then stick to our stalk. Ta-da! And you have now a bunch of grapes. And kids, remember, eating orange and grapes is good for your body, so eat fruits every day. See you again! Bye!